Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to export your UI design as an image in Figma. So let's get started. So currently I'm having here a simple UI login design, and if you want to watch the entire tutorial of this, make sure you click on the icon button appearing on that. So now first thing what you need to do is you need to go to the layers, which is over here. You need to click on the main layer, okay, main frame of the layer appearing there. So this is my main frame, it's iPhone 8. So just click on it. So once you click it, you will be having so many options appearing on your right side. You need to just scroll down. Here you'll be having this export option below effects. So just click on this plus icon and scroll down. Here you'll be having PNG format. Just click it. So it's available in PNG, JPG, SVG as well as PDF. I am going to convert this as an image, so I will go with PNG. You can also change that whatever you want. So once you're done selecting your image format, just click on this, okay, export option over here. Just click it. And you will be getting a dialog box to select the location of your image. So I will go with downloads and I will just name it as Figma image like that. And I will just click on save. So that's it. So if I now go to my downloads, and here you can see I'm having Figma image over here. I will just double click it. This is my login screen that is appearing as an image over here. And I guess you can also play around with this 1x option over here. Basically, I think it increases the size of your design. I guess you can try that out as well. So that's it for this video. Mine is a programming channel. I've done many other videos in C, C++, Java, Python, Blender, as well as Figma, Unity, React.js, Node.js, SQL queries. So if you're interested, you can check them, subscribe me, and thanks for watching.